वेलकम बैक टू द किचन। और आज हम बना रहे हैं एक पास्ता की रेसिपी एंड दिस पास्ता इज़ कॉल्ड एज पास्ता पसंदा, विदेशी पास्ता, देसी है स्टाइल। So let's have a look at the ingredients first. So what we have is some chopped garlic, some chopped onions, some chopped capsicums, green chilies, some lemon. In my spice plate I have some chili flakes, salt, garam masala powder, oregano, black pepper powder, some chopped coriander leaves. Then I have some fried onions and fried cashew nuts. I've got some boiled vegetables like carrots and beans. I have some boiled penne pasta. I have some olive oil. I have some vegetable stock, some grated cheese and some coconut milk. तो आइए बनाते हैं इस रेसिपी को. So let's start our pasta recipe, the Videshi penne pasta in a desi style. So we have a pan heating up. Into the pan I will add some olive oil and some butter. You can also use regular oil. So while the oil and the butter combine together, I get ready with the chopped garlic. Chopped garlic going in. Along with that, a few green chilies. And we give it a light stir. तो पास्ता तो आपने बहुत तरीके के ट्राई किए होंगे, वाइट पास्ता, ऑरेंज पास्ता, पिंक पास्ता, ग्रीन पास्ता. So this recipe is a bit different today, which we will watch gradually. So I'm just sauteing the garlic and the green chilies here in some oil and butter. I don't want to make the garlic brown. Moving on, next I'm going to add some chopped onions. You could also use spring onions for a different taste. Let's give it a light stir. So this recipe is being made for all those viewers who send their request asking for some new ideas with pastas, something easy, quick and tasty. तो अनियंस को थोड़ा सा सौते कर लेंगे यहाँ पे. Next what I'm adding is some chopped green capsicums. You can also add the red and yellow varieties. Capsicums. And here I have some vegetables which I have boiled and kept. These are some carrots and French beans which I have cut into small pieces and boiled them for about 4 to 5 minutes. You could also use vegetables of your choice. You could use mushrooms, you could use broccoli, zucchini, corn. So let's stir the vegetables together. And next I'm going to be adding a few spices and seasonings. Starting with salt, some pepper powder, some oregano or mixed herbs, some chili flakes, we like that spice in our pasta, and some garam masala powder because we're doing a Videshi pasta in a desi style. And next I'm going to be adding some vegetable stock. You can also use chicken stock, but I'm making a veg pasta right now, so I'm going to use some vegetable stock. And we give it a light stir. So the advantage of boiling the vegetables is to save on time. And now I'll allow the vegetables to cook for a couple of minutes. So the vegetables have been cooking here for a couple of minutes, and now it's time to add the boiled penne pasta into the pan. You could also use any variety of pasta of your choice. Right now I'm using penne. And we give it a light stir so that the flavor enters the pasta as well. If you like it a bit more spicy, you can add some more chili flakes. And next I'm going to be adding in some coconut milk. So we have seen pastas with white sauce and cream, but I'm trying something different here by using coconut milk today. So we are pouring in the milk. We have reduced the flame and we lightly mix the pasta with the coconut milk. So as the milk is going to be seeping into the pasta, it's going to be giving it some taste and some body as well. So when you add the milk, the flame should be on the lower side, so it will not split the milk in any ways. And once the milk is nicely mixed in the pasta, we can then raise the flame a little bit on the medium side. So you can see the pasta is nicely steeping in the sauce, in the coconut milk, and we bring it to a light boil. And no pasta is complete without cheese, of course. So that's going to be coming in next. And the pasta is now coming to a boil, and I add some grated cheese into the pasta. Not too much, just to give it a bit of a creamy texture, and the flavors will be enhanced with the cheese. And a light stir to blend the cheese with the coconut milk and the pasta. So it's a very different aromatic kind of flavor here, with the milk cooking with the Italian ingredients and the pasta and cheese. I like it with a dash of black pepper towards the end. Some fresh coriander leaves. You could also use fresh basil. And guess what's coming in next? I've got some fried onions and some fried cashew nuts. So isn't that different? A different style of pasta with some Indianized version. And I quickly blend everything together. I'm going to check for salt if I need some more. And I'm going to start with my plating in a couple of minutes. So the pasta is all set, seasonings are perfect, and so am I ready to plate my pasta and enjoy it. So let's start with the plating. So I've got a nice pasta bowl here. I'm going to be plating my pasta in this. I'm going to turn off the flame. The sauce is nice and coating on the pasta. You could adjust the coconut milk as per your choice. If you like it a bit more saucy, you could add some more. So I'm quickly adding my pasta into my plate. And I've got a few garnishes coming on top as well on the pasta. To start with some chili flakes, some fresh coriander, some fried cashew nuts to add to the crunch of the pasta. If you like some more fried onions towards the end, that's fine as well. So some more fried onions on the top. And not to forget the cheese to give it that Italian look. A bit of grated cheese on top. And there we are all set with our pasta pasanda, the Videshi pasta in a desi style. It looks very tempting. I'm going to be serving this with some nice garlic bread. While you look at the recap one more time, I'm going to quickly go and have this pasta and enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and do try the recipe.